This is a Vevor. Alright, so I have the Vevor plank. I'm going to use this to work on the roof and also work on the soffits and the siding. It's a plank that extends from 9 feet to 15 feet, and I want to exercise as much ladder safety as possible, so I'm arranging these little giant ladders that are rated for my weight. They're rated for over 300 pounds, and I'm putting them in an A-frame style, facing each other as you see here. And this is what the planks are going to sit on. They're going to rest on the rungs of the ladders so that I can climb up the larger little giant ladder and step onto the platform and work across the width of the roof. One of the things of ladder safety I'm following is tying off with a ratchet strap the ladder to the studs, to the rafters, and that's connected to the top plate. So that like wraps around inside the shed because I don't have soffits in yet. So now the ladders are secured so that they can't fall away from the shed, which is important because there were many times when I was working on it that you would see that I'm pushing away. This is John, would you do it? Alright, today we're unboxing the plank that I got. So this is a scaffolding plank. Other people would call it a pick. It's adjustable from 9 feet to 15 feet. So we're going to adjust it to its maximum width. It supports up to 400 pounds. Ta-da! Alright, so this is the plank. It's wrapped very nicely. It's very light. Comes with some wing nuts. Maybe that's to lock the plank into place so it doesn't slide around. Alright, so 9 to 15 foot adjustable length. There's a limit screw. Okay, so I need to install a limit screw. Okay, so I'm able to slide it pretty easily. Okay. It has about 1 foot of maybe 18 inches overlap from one plank to the next. That's probably for stability. Yeah, I see the limit. Okay, now I understand. So we secure these wing nuts here to lock it into place so it doesn't slide around. Okay, here's one wing bolt. So we'll just get this on here. That serves as a clamp, I guess, to keep it locked into place. And then there's one on the other side that you can't see. Okay, it does come with a bolt and a nut, and I'm not sure what that's for. Okay. So we'll finish locking this down. All right, now we'll put the plank in place, and then we'll strap it down to the ladder. Okay, so in case you didn't know, let me show you. This is a Vevor. Vevor. Okay, so I advise wearing gloves because there's sharp edges on this. All right, there you go. And the question is, will I be able to get back down? All right. All right, I need it higher. This is not high enough for me, but it gets me at least to here, so I can see what I'm doing for doing the drip edge. So I'm installing drip edge along this edge of the roof here. So now I'm thinking that the ladder can get pushed out more that way. Another foot or so. Another 2 feet maybe. Yeah. And I can switch to using ladders. Now the advantage of this setup here is that I can still get up on the roof. And it's far enough away from the roof that I can do the drip edge, no problem. Okay, so now if my ladder, if it's up another rung, I may not be able to do this, what I just did. Let me get a tape measure, measure how long it is. All right, so that's 180 inches. So yeah, that's 15 feet, exactly what they said. All right, so I can focus on one thing. I'm gonna put that right there. The one thing I'm focusing on is getting up here. Oh boy, don't want to fall off. Hey, oh boy. So now I'm thinking that the ladder can get pushed out more that way. Another foot or so. Another 2 feet maybe.